Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix power steering fluid leaks in a Nissan Altima. First, always check your power steering fluid reservoir. Low fluid is often the first sign of a problem. Next, visually inspect the area under your vehicle for any fluid puddles. Red or amber fluid usually indicates a power steering issue. Finally, carefully examine the power steering pump, hoses, and steering rack for any obvious wet spots or drips. Early detection can save you significant repair costs. Once you've identified a leak, it's crucial to pinpoint its source. In many Nissan Altimas, the high-pressure power steering hose is a common culprit, often developing cracks or loose connections. The power steering pump itself or its internal seals can also degrade over time, leading to fluid loss. Additionally, inspect the steering rack and pinion, especially the protective boots, as worn seals here can allow fluid to escape. A thorough inspection will guide your repair. Repairing a power steering leak often involves replacing the compromised component. If a hose is leaking, replace it with a new one, making sure to use appropriate hose clamps for a secure fit. For a failing power steering pump, replacement is typically the best solution, with costs ranging from about $895 to $1,604 for parts and labor. If the steering rack is leaking, you might replace the seals or, in more severe cases, the entire rack and pinion assembly. Always bleed the system after repairs to remove air. To prevent future power steering leaks, consistent maintenance is key. Regularly check your power steering fluid level and its condition. If it looks dark or smells burnt, it's time for a change. Always use the manufacturer-recommended power steering fluid for your specific Nissan Altima model to ensure optimal system performance and seal integrity. And speaking of smart solutions, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Proactive care can significantly extend the life of your power steering system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.